How to change the battery on a GoGo Ultra. We have a model 36 here. It also is the same as the model 40X and the model 44E. So come with us as we put two new batteries in this scooter because the old ones are no longer any good. Get that off of there. Okay, so that just pops off pretty easy, huh? So that part pops off pretty easy. And it looks like there's about, you say 8 or 9 screws, huh? So we're going to look for a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so here we are. We've already taken this part off of here. So that just snapped off of here. Now the batteries are in this compartment here. So I'm going to give you a close-up real quick of the screws. As you can see here, there's like I'll point to them. There's like a screw there, 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 there. So Brian's going to take out all these screws, and then we're going to go ahead and... So as Brian is taking the screws out, you'll notice that you'll need a couple different Phillips screwdrivers. One shorter one like this one and a longer one also. Okay, what you'll find out is when you're removing the cover from the batteries is this one right here needs a pretty long screwdriver. So we notice you got this long screwdriver here, and that'll go down in there because this one, you got your normal size screwdriver, won't really work for this one here and this one. So again, you're going to need an extra long screwdriver for this one here and this one. Phillips screwdriver. If you don't know what your model number is, at the end of this video I have a little helpful tip there to find out if your model is a 36 or a 40X or a 44E towards the end of this video. Where do you buy these batteries at, Brian? And in Las Vegas, what would you buy them? Or do you buy them online?
You got to buy them online, or you're going to pay $100 retail.
So it's better to go online and buy them and just have them delivered to the house, huh? Okay, so we got all the screws out, huh? Yeah, so that just pops right off of there. Okay, so the batteries are kind of big batteries. We got 2 connections. All you do is slide those off of there, huh? You got the reds all red wire to red terminal. It's all idiot proof, pretty much.
Black goes to negative, red goes to positive.
Right. So now we're going to go ahead and take a battery
Unless you're in North Korea, then it's slightly different.
Now we're going to test it. Now on your multimeter, okay, so we'll show you what's setting on the multimeter. We'll go with the, put it on 20 volts. Okay, so we put it on the 20 volt setting, or as low as you can. We're dealing with DC. So here we go. We'll go ahead and check it with the multimeter. We expect these batteries to be dead, and sure enough, when we put it on there, yeah, less than 1 volt, not even a half a volt. Not even a half a volt. So you definitely should check your batteries before buying new ones. So these ones are going to be replaced. Okay, so Brian, the new batteries came in, right? The new batteries are over there.
Yes.
So they came in from Amazon?
eBay or Amazon,
okay.
I'm not sure.
So now we're going to take the old batteries out. Now they look like they may be stuck in there with glue or something, huh?
They're a little tight. Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to have to manhandle the batteries out. Well, so since these are old batteries, you're going to use that little pry bar right there. It's like, okay, so you're going to pry them out. You don't have to worry about damaging the batteries because they're bad. So what do you think? Did they have glue in there or something?
No, it's Velcro.
Oh, it's Velcro. Okay, so they have Velcro on the bottom, so it's kind of...
The new ones don't.
It feels like
the new ones don't have Velcro.
It feels like they're stuck in there. but it was actually just Velcro.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put it back in, the new one in,
So you put the new ones in.
and then I'm gonna hook up the positive. I'm gonna pull that little tab off. Pull this little tab off.
Pull the tabs off. Red
then-
to red,
right.
black to black.
Right.
And now we go ahead and
the other one.
manhandle this one out of here. The Velcro makes it difficult. Now it's good to replace the Velcro because it'll keep the battery stationary. So you should replace the Velcro.
I could take this Velcro off and glue it to the old ones.
Exactly. So that's what you should do. Make sure you take the old Velcro off, or make sure you put new Velcro on the bottom of your batteries, your new batteries, so they don't bounce around. It keeps what damages the battery sometimes when they bounce
And then
around.
the black is the negative, of course. I'm gonna pull this off again.
So you pull off the battery terminal caps.
Positive is always red.
Okay, so the new batteries are in.
Well, I'm gonna unplug it again, and we're just gonna test it to make sure that it's.
So we're just going to test the battery, make sure it's.
There we go, 12.9. So they're fully charged.
12.9. It's good to check them before you put them in.
All right. Make sure that the company gives us a one, then I'll check the other one. Pull the other one off. Make sure that I got a good battery there. 12.9. Okay, so they're both good batteries.
Okay, so we're going to put the cover back on. Now, our screws are right here, but what you should do at home is get yourself a little bowl. Yeah, here's a good tip that'll save you a lot of problems. Whenever you take your screws out, you always put them in a little bowl so you don't lose them. So now we're going to put the top back on. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver.
All right. And now I have to turn it completely over. Which is against the law of physics. Okay.
So you turn it over and just put the screws in, and that's all there is to it.
I don't know if I got this or not.
So a couple of the screws, you need a long Phillips screwdriver to get. On this one here, you notice it's a long Phillips screwdriver because you'll need that. So to do this job, you're going to need not only a short Phillips screwdriver but a long one. All right, now we got all the batteries in. Go ahead and set it in place, Brian.
Oh! Okay.
That's all there is to it, huh?
Turn on, see if it works. Hey!
Okay, so you got in gear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, Brian, enough fooling around. Does it work or not? Let's take a look. We're good to go, huh? We're good to go?
We're good to go.
2 new batteries in the GoGo. The GoGo Ultra. So that's how you put 2 new batteries in a GoGo Ultra. Okay, what model scooter do we have? We know we have a GoGo Ultra. It's the GoGo Ultra. But to figure out what model you have, let's take a look here. Right here you see the console. This is for models 36, 40X, 44E. So you notice notice this one here? Boom, boom, boom. There's 4 there. So if we go up to the console, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is the one that's going to make to identify. You see, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4. We go see the knob there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this console here will identify this scooter as model 36, 40X, or 44E. Now you have the different models. We'll do this later. When we find one of these models, we'll update you. But anyhow, this is how you tell what model your scooter is. Okay, I'll just show you a close-up just in case you have one of these models. Your console will look like that. So this is how you tell what model you have for a GoGo Ultra scooter.